What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as I'm sure you've already seen by the title, I'm going to be doing my second episode of my new series called #BougieBuys. And in today's video, we are going to be reviewing and trying out the new Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. Yes, I think I got that right. But before we get started in this review video, don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming episodes of this series. And let's get to it. Alright, so before we start reviewing the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation, I'm going to just read a little bit from the Sephora website here. It says that it is a medium to full coverage foundation that remains flawless for up to 24 hours in a radiant finish with SPF 35. So the highlighted ingredients here on the Sephora website that's inside this foundation here is Pansy Extract Hydration Booster, which helps protect the skin from drying, leaving it soothed and looking smoother and more radiant. So that's good to know, thank you. The iconic long-wearing Forever Foundation, now in a radiant finish, creates a complexion that appears flawless and even with tighter-looking pores. Okay. From morning to night, the Skin Perfecting formula delivers naturally vibrant, shine-free glow. The skin is protected with SPF 35. Sounds amazing. This bad boy right here comes in 24 shades and retails for $52. $52 for 1 fluid ounce. Let's go ahead and put it on our faces and see if it's worth the $52. Alright guys, so the first step that I'm going to take is that I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to be doing that with my sunscreen today by Shiseido. So you know you gotta get that sunscreen. At least I feel like I do because I've been using a lot of retinol lately. Alright, so now that I've let my sunscreen sit on my face for a couple of minutes, I'm going to do 1 pump of my Glow Foundation, which looks like is a very small amount in my opinion, you know, but we're gonna go along with it, and I'm just going to spread it out. I am going to be using 2 different applicators today. On my face, I'm going to be doing this side with my Beauty Blender and then this side with my Morphe Y6 foundation brush, and then we will go from there and see what we think. So I'm going to start with my Morphe Y6 foundation brush, and we're just gonna go for it. And immediately I feel like I am absolutely not getting the coverage that I am used to, that I really like. I mean, the glow is there. It's a really pretty glow. I like that so much. But yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of coverage thus far, so that means I'm probably going to have to use like 2 or 3 pumps of this to get the coverage that I'm used to. But let's go ahead and do the other side here with my Beauty Blender. Okay, so I feel like Beauty Blender is already thinning out this already sheer coverage foundation that we have going on right now. I feel like the Y6 foundation brush did give me a little bit more coverage than what my Beauty Blender is giving me at the moment here. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. This is what we have so far. Again, Y6 right here, and then Beauty Blender on this side. I am not super duper impressed by the coverage with that first pump, but let's go ahead and do a second pump and go from there. I know a lot of people like to look, by the way, this is my 3rd pump, but like I was saying, a lot of people like that natural look, like your foundation is there but not there. I am definitely not one of those people. If you've seen a couple of my videos, you know I have dry skin and I love my full coverage. So anything that's like not full coverage and not hydrating, like I can't use on my face. But let's go ahead and see what 3 pumps total looks like on my skin. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. I like this a lot. I love the luminosity, the glow that this foundation is giving me already. So let's go ahead and finish the other side, my Beauty Blender side. Alright guys, so this is what about 3 pumps of the Dior Afterglow foundation looks like, and I am very pleased with this finish as opposed to what it looked like before with just 1 single pump. I love the luminosity of it. I do feel like I liked how it went on a little bit better with my Morphe Y6 foundation brush, because I feel like it kept quite a bit of that coverage that I was looking for, as opposed to my Beauty Blender side, which did sheer out this foundation a little bit more than what I was wanting. But yeah, so far I love this finish. I love the color of it. I like that it looks so skin-like and it feels so weightless on my face. Like as I'm talking, I don't feel any weight around my eye area or around my mouth. So yeah, it is weightless. I love how it gives you this luminous, dewy overall finish. I like the coverage after I have built it, you know, in layers. It did take me like 2.5 to 3 pumps to get this coverage that I like personally. And yeah, it says it's a 24-hour wear, and I don't know if this will last me 24 hours, but I don't even think it's good for your skin to have makeup on your face for 24 hours, because at one point your skin regenerates during the nighttime and you don't want makeup on your face during the nighttime. But I get it, you know, they want to let you know that this is a long-lasting, weightless, skin-like foundation, and I believe it. I mean, look at this. I am super duper happy with this finish, even though I had to do just a little bit of work to build it to the coverage that I like. Yeah, this is bomb. I love it. Great. And for concealer, I'm going to be doing my go-to at the moment, which is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the full coverage version of the Born This Way concealer, All right, and let's blend this out, shall we? So I do want to note that my hydrating concealer is going on so nicely on top of my Dior Forever Glow foundation. I mean, I feel like it was to be expecting. Like I was expecting a hydrating product to work seamlessly with another hydrating product, but now that I'm actually putting it to the test and trying it on my face, I'm just really happy that it actually did end up working really nicely together. All right, and to set it, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Veil setting powder. Alright guys, so this is our final result. This is what the Dior Skin Forever Glow foundation looks like on the skin after applying my powders and my setting spray. I do want to note that I only did highlighting powder, bronzer powder, and I only set the area around my eyes right here, and everything else is just the Skin Glow foundation. I absolutely love this. I love this so much. I love it so much. I think this foundation is just as beautiful as the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation, which is well known for its luminosity, for its longevity, for how skin-like it looks. I feel like Dior matched that expectation in terms of hydrating foundations. And if you asked me if this was worth the $52 that it's set for, I would say 100% absolutely. I think that if you are a dry skin person out on a hunt for a luxury hydrating foundation, or just a really awesome hydrating foundation that's going to work for your dry skin, the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation is going to be the one for you. I mean, look at this finish. I absolutely love this. The glow is there. It's buildable. It's a buildable coverage. I absolutely love it. I think this is going to be my #2 favorite hydrating foundation, right under my NARS Sheer Glow foundation, just because NARS Sheer Glow still delivers a lot more coverage immediately than this foundation right here. But again, Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation is absolutely amazing. I adore it so much already. But yeah, I am going to rate this foundation a 9 out of 10, only because I like my full coverage, and if it had just a little bit more coverage, it would definitely be a 10 out of 10. And that does it for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and found some value from it, please don't forget to drop me a like, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. And like always, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.